Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jenny. I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos every single week here on my channel, and today is Walmart Wednesday. I have an excellent haul for you guys today. Free Assembly just released all of their amazing new arrivals for summer. I cannot wait, of which this dress is one, and how beautiful is this little dress. Can't wait to share it with you guys. A couple of things. Everything is linked down below in the description box, easily shoppable for you. Also, if you like my content and you want to see more from me, I am over on Instagram, Facebook if you haven't, like to know it. All of that is linked down below if you would like to find me in those places. I would love to thank the sponsor of today's video, Ana Luisa Jewelry. You guys know, if you followed me for a long time, that I love Ana Luisa. I have tons of pieces from them. The pieces I'm wearing today are from them. They are so gorgeous, and there's a ton of reasons why I love this company and these products. Number one, they're having a Mother's Day sale, and they're having a buy one get one 60% off sale for Mother's Day. So a couple reasons why I love this company. Well, first of all, look how beautiful this is. So I'm wearing these and these, all from Ana Luisa, and all gorgeous. I love the layering, stacking sort of look of this because it's very on trend right now, and it's just beautiful and glittery. It's just so pretty. And I've also kind of stacked these earrings here as well. This one has the little dangly piece. I don't know, what do you call that? But this one also has a dangly piece that's a pearl, but I took it off to show like a little stacking look. But it does come with a beautiful pearl. I will say I have plenty of Ana Luisa pieces. I've worked with them a ton in the past. Look, my bracelet is Ana Luisa. I've had this one for a really long time, and it's still gorgeous and perfect, and I absolutely love it. So dainty, so beautiful. I feel like they just elevate basic pieces. Like, they're basic pieces that are just gorgeous. And you guys, they are also tarnish resistant, which I have a huge problem with tarnishing my jewelry, and these are just, they're tarnish resistant, they're beautiful, I absolutely love them. And they are all 100% of the items are humidity tested. I live in Texas, I don't know about you, that's a big plus to me. Also, Ana Luisa's jewelry starts at $39, so I love about them that you can find beautiful, quality, affordable pieces. Also, all of these pieces are backed by a 2-year warranty, which that's crazy. So all of their pieces are tested, like I said, humidity tested, strength tested, they're tested for allergy and breakage, all kinds of different things. And because of this, they can offer you a 2-year warranty. All that to say, I think these are an amazing quality gift idea for Mother's Day. I definitely recommend this brand, definitely recommend these as a beautiful, wonderful gift for all the mothers in your life for this Mother's Day. Don't forget about the 60% off sale. Also, I have a code in the description box for 20% off, so check that out in the description box. And yeah. All right, so that's everything for this intro, I think. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see why this is my favorite piece from this video. I am super excited, and let's get into it. Okay, how beautiful is this little like sundress? It is too cute, you guys. So this, I'm in a size extra small. All of these pieces are gonna be by Free Assembly. So this is by Free Assembly. I love this little detail on the straps. They are adjustable, as you can see here. They're adjustable, and there is like a little crisscross with a tie in the back. This is literally so cute, you guys. I absolutely love it. I'm in an extra small. It fits true to size, I would say. It does have pockets, which you guys know I love a good dress with pockets if the pockets are good, and these are, and I absolutely love this little dress. It does come, I think, in blue as well. Obviously, I got pink, but I think the blue would be lovely for summer events and things like that. I have it paired here. These are new from Sam and Libby, and look how cute these are. They have like a little bow detail on the toe, and they're just a great neutral shoe, so it's gonna make your legs look a little bit longer, give you a little bit more length, and they are so cute. I'm in a 6.5 or a 7 or 6. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen. I'm not sure. But this is just the sweetest little summer out. Okay, you guys, how adorable is this little dress? Y'all, I love the like nautical feel of the stripes this season. So this one has some different types of stripes. So it has like almost a mini dress on top with like a thinner stripe, and then on the bottom it's like extended with a bigger stripe. It also has this adorable little bow detail here. I love the little extended sleeves. I think they're adorable. It's very on trend this season. And then it has this beautiful like turquoisey stripe detail here, which is really nice. It buttons all the way up. This is too cute. It does have pockets, which I absolutely love. This one is so gorgeous, you guys. I love this. All right, you guys. Oh, I'm gonna have such a hard time choosing a favorite in these. This one is so beautiful. How gorgeous is this little one shoulder dress? I am in an extra small here. It fits true to size, I would say. It does have pockets. It has this little smocked waist detail here. And this shoulder, it has like this little ruching detail. You can pull it so that the strap is smaller if you want to. And then it's like elastic all the way around here, which it's really giving. So it's really forgiving, I guess maybe is the word. This is really, really cute. It is super cute in the back as well, pretty much the same. All in all, this one is a winner. I love the length on this one. It's like a gauzy material, but almost a little bit higher end. Gauzy, I don't know how to explain it, but the quality is really, really high on this. I think this one is gorgeous, and I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a beautiful like event dress that you can dress up really well for all your summer events. This one is gorgeous. How beautiful is this little black dress? Sorry, my mirror has some smudges on it. That's what kids will do for you. Anyway, this dress is beautiful. So it has somewhat of a, you see this right here? And in the other colors, this is more, it's a different color. So I think there's like a pink with orange, a couple other colors, but I love this one. Look how beautiful this necklace stack looks on here. Oh, you guys, this is so classy, so beautiful. I love the length. It's just a straight A-line like t-shirt dress, but it feels so nice and classy. But you can sort of dress it down if you got a different color. I think it comes in white maybe, or I know it comes in some brighter colors. I did get a medium in this. You guys know sometimes for length with free assembly and for like right here, I like a medium. Don't size up in this one. I would get your regular size in this one. A small would have done quite a bit better for me. So it's just in the arms, it's like a little bit big. So keep that in mind. But this one is definitely a winner because it's so beautiful. Okay, this next dress by Free Assembly is a pretty basic one, and I got it in this cream color. I also got a small. It's too big, so I would size down maybe in this one. It does have adjustable straps, but it does have quite a bit of fabric, as you can see here. I love this one, but the pockets, because of the color, are a bit like you can kind of see them. But this dress is beautiful. It's like a linen-y type feel. Check the link down below if you are interested in the fabric content of any of these, because I don't know that off the top of my head, but this one is so beautiful. It has the same, has a similar back detail as the pink stripe one, which is so beautiful. See, it's a little bit big here. You could, but again, you can tighten the straps if you need to. All in all, I think this one is beautiful. I definitely think it would make a beautiful like event dress if you got it in your size and then whatever color you wanted to get it in. But it's also could be like a swim cover up. So this is a pretty versatile dress. You could wear it for a lot of different things. I think it's beautiful. Okay, this dress may be my favorite. You guys know because you saw the intro. I haven't decided yet because I haven't tried everything on. This may be the favorite. How beautiful is this, you guys? Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. I love the length. Oh, you guys, I absolutely love this. It has pockets and it is perfect length. Look at these cute little straps. I'm wearing a strapless bra with it, but I feel like you could wear a regular bra if it was like, I have a couple Soma bras that are like straight across. You could do that. If your bra would work with this, I don't know. You'd have to try it, but I love it. It's so flattering. It's so beautiful. I love the length. I never get to wear maxi dresses. I'm sure this is maybe supposed to be a midi dress. I'm 5'3" for height reference, so it's a maxi on me. I also realize it's very close to the color of my skin. It's double lined, so it's not see-through. The quality feels so high. It does have like a smocking in the back, so it's got like a little bit of stretch there. You guys, this dress is amazing. I absolutely love it. Perfect for all of your summer events. I love it. Okay, you guys know I love a good gingham. I almost said denim. This is definitely not denim. This little dress is the sweetest little gingham dress. This one's definitely not going to be my favorite from the bunch, although I do really, really love the look of it. It's just like, I'm in an extra small here. It fits true to size, I would say. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a little bit big in the top, especially. Like, do you see this? Like, if you don't fill out a top, like, you won't fill out this one. But I do love the look of the little halter top. I think that's adorable. It does have pockets and it is a midi length dress. I like the little back. It has smocking but also a zipper. So that was confusing to me and I almost tore the zipper. So keep that in mind. You have to unzip this. Don't just pull it over your head. So anyway, all in all, I think this one's cute. It does have a more defined waist, which is nice, and I think it's adorable for summer. And yeah, I really, really like this. What do you guys think? I think this is a black gingham, not blue. So keep that in mind. Okay, so they did bring these shorts back in a bunch of colors. I'm going to tell you something. The 90s cutoff in Free Assembly, a 4 fits me the best. In these, a 6 fits best. So keep that in mind. I feel like the roll cuff ones are a bit tighter than the 90s cutoff ones. So there you go. This is a 4 and they're a bit tight. You can kind of see the wrinkling here. So yeah, these are a little bit tight. I might exchange for a 6, but I love them. They're so comfortable and cute and so this is like super tight on my legs. So keep that in mind. Again, you might want to size up in these. But can we talk about this top? You guys, this top is amazing. I am in an extra small in this top. It fits true to size. It's a more oversized top. It's not fitted. I love these extended length sleeves. They're very on trend right now. This is gorgeous. Look at this color. Y'all, I can't say enough about this top. I absolutely love it. I'm definitely keeping it. It is not cropped, but it's not overly long either, which I think it's the perfect length. That has the little dolphin hem here, and you need the shirt in your life. I want to get this shirt in other colors because it is so beautiful. Okay, so these are new from Free Assembly. So the other ones are like restocked, but they're from last year. These are new. These are amazing. Okay, so these are a little bit stretchier. So Free Assembly normally does more of a structured denim. It's not very stretchy. It's high quality, but not super stretchy. These are really stretchy. They're obviously very long. Like, I love the modest length of these. I'm in a 4 in these. They're a lot more forgiving, I would say. So you could definitely do your smaller size if you're in between in these. And I really, really like these a lot. I think they're great. And they do come in other colors. And I got one more color that I will share with you. But these are great, especially if you're looking for a modest option that's not frumpy or whatever. These are great. I absolutely love them. Okay, again, 2 amazing pieces. I love both of these pieces so, so much. So these are the 90s cutoff shorts. I have shared them with you guys before. I love these. I have them in the white and I wear them all the time. These are a little bit shorter of a length. So I am really short. I have short legs. So you have to determine, is this comfortable for you or not? But I do really, really like these and I am comfortable wearing them. So keep that in mind. I think it's a 3-inch inseam, so it is a little bit shorter, but not too short. You know, it's up to you. But these are amazing. These are my favorite pair from Free Assembly and they are back in several washes. So check that out, and several sizes. This top, you guys, is gorgeous. Now, I sized up in this top because I don't like the tight. I've mentioned that already in this video. I don't like that. I'm in a medium, I think. Okay, glad I checked. I'm in a small. So I am in a small in this one. So if you're in between sizes, maybe go with your bigger size. I will say if I had tried to do a medium, like the small is already like, this is as big as I could go without it just being like not right. Which that is one complaint I will say with Free Assembly. I don't feel like their sizing is super consistent, but that's why you have me, right? So anyway, this is really, really stretchy. I love the peplum top. I want to see if this comes in any other colors because it is too cute. I love it for summer. It will look great with all of your high-waisted pants and shorts and things. This is a winner, you guys. You definitely need this one in your life if you like this kind of thing. I also think it brings a little trendy, but it's not too revealing, it's not too short, it's not, you know, it's really great for all of those things. So yeah, this one, both of these, winner. So I'm gonna 4 in these and I'm gonna small in this. Okay, I just realized after I'd already crumpled up this skirt that these are meant to go together, or that they can go together because they are together on the model, and I did not realize that. So look at that. You can do these separately, you can do these together. Like, how cute is this little set? Okay, so here we have 2 pieces that I would personally not pair together. I'm just sharing you. I'm going to share the top with some jeans in a minute. This top, I needed an extra small. It's a bit big, but I was worried about like it being cropped. So I would get your regular size or size down in this one. It is a bit oversized. It's like a linen blend, perfect for work, for summer. Also just adorable. I think it comes in a few colors as well. This one is really, really cute. But these are the shorts. The off-white shorts that I shared, these are the denim version. Just as wonderful, just as long, just as trendy. I love these, you guys. I think these are super cute, especially if you have long legs. Y'all jump on these because they are so cute and so trendy. They give you the perfect, I think this is like a 5-inch inseam. So really, really good. Check the description box to make sure all of that information, but this is too cute. Okay, so here's that same top. I just paired it with some jeans. You could definitely pair this top with some like work pants, a skirt, whatever you wanted to do with it. I do really, really like the top. You could tuck it in. I think it looks really cute tucked in. So it can be tucked in as well. I just have it with these Daisy footbed sandals because I absolutely love them and they're helping me relive all my 90s memories. These pants, I had bought them in a size 8 because Time and Tru usually tends to be really tight in the waist, so I size up. I had to go down to a 4 and they're still a little bit big. So size down in these, but these are super cute with the chewed hemline. I love the mom type of fit. They're very on trend and they're very, very affordable because they're from Walmart. So these are not Free Assembly. They are Time and Tru, I think, but I will link them down below. Okay, here are 2 brand new pieces from the summer release of Free Assembly, and I love them both. I want to keep them both. They're both amazing. How cute would this skirt be with my Nashville t-shirt in the summer for my Nashville trip? How cute is that? I love this tank. Okay, this tank, the quality is amazing. You need this tank in your life. It's so beautiful. I love the high neckline. I can't say enough about this. I just really, really like it. It's very stretchy, very good quality, beautiful. Look at this color. It's like, oh, it's so amazing. And then this skirt is just too cute. You could pair this with a ton of different things. I really, really like it. You could pull it up higher if you wanted to. I was kind of going for not doing that due to length, but it's super cute. I love the color. I think it comes in some other colors as well. This one does wrinkle kind of easily, but I feel like that's very charming in this skirt. I don't know. You know, whatever you like, but I absolutely love this. Both pieces, amazing. All right, I am loving these pants by Free Assembly. These are also a new arrival. I think they're darling. They have the paper bag type waist, high-waisted. They are a bit see-through. You can see I'm wearing a bright pink shirt and there it is right through it. But you could definitely wear more of a cropped shirt with this or wear a lighter color, whatever you want to do. But these are darling. I love them for work. The idea of wearing them to work is so cute. They're very, very comfortable. I'm in a 4, so I would get your regular size in these. And all in all, these are great. Can't say enough about them. I'm just wearing them with some Target heels and then this Free Assembly tank again. Y'all, so cute. All right, you guys, that was my Walmart Wednesday for this week. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below so you don't miss any more of my videos in the future. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to head to the description box for 20% off your order, as well as taking advantage of the Mother's Day sale. Buy one, get one 60% off. You cannot beat a deal like that. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, subscribing. You guys are the best. I appreciate you so very much, and I will see you in my next video.